Hey, what's up guys? Me, Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. No? Sinurprise ko yung aking teammates because we're going to have a quick video about what they will pick if they're given or they're shown several vlogging equipment. So gusto ko malaman kung ano ang pick ninyo. Okay, so if you're gonna be asked what to pick, regardless of the price, andito sila kaya, no? Mapakilala ko pa maya-maya. Ano yung pipiliin ninyo? Yan. So, ano ba yung mga products na yan? We'll start off, of course, with the Insta360 Go 3. Yan. May Insta360 Go 3. Okay. Tapos, meron ding Insta360 X3. Yan. So, meron ding DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And GoPro Hero 12, which is the latest one. At meron tayong tatapon na isa pa. Tapon na yung term. Yung iPhone 15 Pro Max, no, with an SSD. So, nine natin, syempre, no, one of our newest friends in the block, Louie Json, also from glint.ph. Go check it out, no, guys, if gusto niyo puntahan. So, sir, pasok kayo, sir. Yun! Okay, umayos yung white balance. Right, sir. So if you're gonna be asked, no, we have here a few products. No, we have here the Insta360 Go 3. No, we have here the X3, which is a 360-degree camera.
Okay.
Pinakabago nila yung GoPro Hero 12 latest, and this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. What's your choice?
Depending on the usage, diba?
Yeah.
So let's say mag-cover ako ng event. I would go with the iPhone rig.
With the rig?
Yeah. Because I tried doing a Computex coverage years ago. I was using, try lang talaga. Medyo nag-risk din ako nun. Huawei P20 pa nun.
Okay.
So parang possible, nakakatuwa kasi parang when you travel you don't carry a lot of things. So, tas very light lang siya. So, syempre sa events maraming tao, di ba? So you can easily move around with the mobile. Pero
lalo na pag may rig ka pa na ganito, no?
Exactly. So maraming pwede kang gawing modifications. Pero at that time, di pa ganun ka-mature ang kumbaga ang cameras ng smartphones for that kind of purpose. Yeah. So ngayon, given yung with your experience and meron din siyang content about that yung coverage sa Singapore using this. So mukhang siya, maganda talaga siya, viable option na siya ngayon. If let's say, hindi mo naman kailangan ng tawag dito, overly produced content. So,
mga pang reels, gano'n, no?
Yeah. Which is gano'n naman gusto ng mga tao ngayon. They want it to look more simple lang.
Simple lang. Sa Glint, kailangan mo yan, no?
Yeah, so yun. Kaya, iniisip ko rin. So,
glint.ph, guys, don't forget.
Thank you. Pero kaya gusto ko lang mag-travel and this one. The Insta360 Go 3. Nakita ko yung vlog mo using this. I think nilagay mo siya sa cap mo.
Yeah, pwede yun. Diba? May mga attachment siya dito like this one.
So parang ganyan lang siya kalit. Kasi, I mean, you could go with a GoPro.
Yeah.
Pero siya halata talaga siya like you're vlogging. So medyo halata na siya, malaki siya masyado. So, ako pa naman yung tipo, if I want to produce content, ayoko masyadong nahalata ako.
Right.
So, this one would look really good.
Pero between the two, this is your pick?
Yes.
Alright, so, sir, sa'yo na to.
Thank you!
Alright, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Alright, next we have, of course, unahin na nga kita kasi delikado eh. Yung white balance ko ito, maputi nito. Ram Ronquillo, of course, our
Hello!
Tayo ng konti, white balance, 3, 2, 1. Alright, okay. Bago. Okay, so among all of these things, which is your pick?
Ako personally, and not just because I covered the event, I go for the DJI.
Oh yeah, awesome.
Yeah. So I recently attended an event, and I thought of it, and like if I got one, I'd probably get into vlogging, because I don't know the variety of things you can do with it, and the flip screen. As in, nakalo siya. Nakalo siya. And I learned about the other modes that you can do with it, like a spiral shot, and it allows you to do so much in such a small package as opposed to, like, let's say this one.
Yeah,
the Instago. Yeah. I think this would be better for someone that's more active.
Right. Oh.
But I think I'm more like, I prefer just chilling or like walking around. So I think this would do me fine with the gimbal and everything.
Okay guys, para lang makita niyo yung itsura kung ano itsura ng kamay ni Ram, no? Lumalabas na yung mga ugat eh. Tingnan mo. I'll use the Insta360 Go dito.
may footage po tayo.
Eh, yung mga ugat-ugat kitang-kita. Ugat-ugat, di ba? Oh.
Nababasa yung by the way, I'm looking at the camera and napipick up niya yung parang may may ganun. So meron siya sa shirt ni Gian at meron sa balat ko.
Next, we have Mr. Emmanuel Tortosa. Yan, mukhang mababalansa na ng konti ang ating
Yan, okay na lang yung white balance.
Yeah, okay na lang yung white balance. Okay, bossing. So, siyempre, our EIC, no? We're gonna ask him ano yung mas pipiliin mo. If you're only given one, no? Or one chance to pick, which one would it be?
I think for me, I guess yung pinaka all-rounder, no? I think I just get the iPhone.
The iPhone?
Minus the rig,
minus the rig.
Yeah, just the phone.
Pero, ganyan kasi one of the features of the new iPhone is that you can shoot ProRes log.
Yeah, but if you have a 1 TB...
No, you can't use ProRes log. Because yung problema, Apple, you should be listening to this. Because if you're listening to this, you cannot shoot kasi ProRes log to internal. Unless you're gonna use the Blackmagic app.
Yes.
So that's the only
actually
workaround there. So you need to use the Blackmagic application, which is actually getting better and better every day. Pero yun, so okay, so ito.
Yeah. Assuming that's the situation.
Pero if I sell you the rig for let's say 2.8, would you get one?
Bakit may butal? Bakit may 8?
2.750.
Kasi okay lang. Kaya lang wala akong pagagamitan. Wala akong pagagamitan kasi wala naman ako iPhone. So,
wala ka pang iPhone?
Wala pa akong iPhone. So, yan. Okay, anyway, kasi, as an all-rounder, kasi, I think that, phones these days, lalo na yung mga flagship like this one, are already very capable enough to shoot both good photos and, decent video na for coverage, at least for event coverage. Obviously, pwede mo rin naman silang gamitin for like, some production work, But I think for what I do, okay na yan. Kasi even the stabilization based on the reviews that I've seen with this phone,
okay na, no?
Okay na yung stabilization niya. And if I'm doing like shorts or reels, it's more than enough time for me. It's more than enough for me na if I'm gonna carry just one device, that's it.
Actually, I also got to experience one, but even taking photos, panalo. I'm not really a fan of the selfie camera. Dapat i-improve nila yun. All right, thank you so much, sir. Ayan. Welcome to the Apple community. Wala akong babatiin. Wala akong babatiin?
Sino? Wala.
Okay, next, of course, our PC review lead. Let's welcome Mr. Grand Soriano, sir.
Bow.
Sino piliin? Ano yung question dito sa lahat ng ito?
Okay, for me, I'm a big it depends guy. So, having attended 3 events, international.
Sabi mo, K-pop events pa to.
Actually, ayun, kung kasama pa yun, kasi sobrang daming use cases when it comes to vlogging, diba? Vlogging yung topic natin. So, sobrang depende. So, pero ang top 2 choices ko is the Pocket.
The Pocket.
And then, the iPhone. Now, for what reasons? Kasi if I want siguro a more point and shoot experience, I'd pick the iPhone. Kasi ang daming automatic features. Sorry, nilalaro ko yung screen.
No problem.
1.5. Sira na kaka-fidget. I'd pick the iPhone kasi sobrang bilis ng settings niya. You can just point and shoot. You can also post and edit on the go. So kung reels lang yung habol mo or quick postings, pwede na to kasi you can also edit. You have that convenience of having a smartphone with you.
Hey, imagine shooting, punta ka ng Computex or CES. Yan ang gamit mo.
But if I want to shoot more B-rolls, if I have more time or problemado ako sa space, and if I have other equipment such as mic, siguro mas pipiliin ko to because of the stabilization. I think the iPhone could compete, pero iba pa rin yung kapag napo-point mo. Yes. And then the screen to help me see what I'm shooting. But if I'm shooting in a more low light environment, siguro I would pick the iPhone because of the pro capabilities. So you can shoot raw, then you can edit the ISO or white balance, contrast, kahit ano, if ever.
Alright.
Pero right now, mas heavy ako dito because
So,
I want to try a one-hand solution.
Grabe, ah. Interesting, a one-hand solution. Alright, so...
No.
May two-hand solution.
Context, two-hand solution.
Two-hand solution is ito. No? So, okay. Yeah, it seems that this is starting to become the best contender among the ones that we have here. Okay, so thank you very much. Ayun, meron pa pala, magpahabol.
Shout out dito sa Insta Go 3. Insta 360 Go 3 kasi you can get more creative with this kasi ang dami niyang attachments pwede mo ilagay. So, if you want to be more creative with your shots, I think pwede din to.
Kasi magnetic din kasi yan eh.
Yes.
So, pwede mo ikabit.
Then, pwede mo ikabit kahit saan. Mga spy cam.
Okay.
Hello. Sumigaw eh.
Sir, anong pipiliin mo dito sa lahat ng to? We have the GoPro Hero 12, the X3, the 360 camera, Pocket 3, Insta360 Go 3, and the iPhone. Which one would you pick?
So, being a total noob sa mga ganitong bagay, feeling ko itong DJI yung the best. Kasi parang lahat ng features na kailangan ng isang taong wala pa masyadong alam sa ganito, nandito na. So, parang maganda siyang, parang starting point. Kasi, nandito na kasi lahat eh. Wala ka nang kailangan ibang... So, ganun ko siya nakikita.
Pagka halimbawa yung mga concerts ka, ganun, sa tingin mo, this is something that you can, take with you?
Actually, okay siya kung meron kang, kunyari, yung band nyo or whatever, group nyo, may kasama kayong mga tech or whatever na gusto nung kuhanan ng video yung mga live sets nyo. Okay siya eh. Kasi, yun na, dito na siya lahat. Sobrang compact ng package and everything. Madali siyang i-operate. Yun.
Alright. Okay. So, I think, grabe, no? Interesting yung mga choices, no? Ito yung kadalasan pinipili ngayon, no? Because of the versatility it offers. So, thank you very much, Sir Migs. Yeah,
Thank you.
Alright, so, yun na nga guys, yun nga yung pinili. No? Mukhang nanalo, nanaig, no? Sa mga choice natin is of course the Insta360. Hindi pala, DJI Pocket. Yan, no? Tignan. Actually, sa totoo lang, gusto ko talaga si Insta360 Go 3. Pero, kumbaga, para sa akin, there are lots of reasons why I would pick this over that one. And that is of course the versatility. The iPhone 15 Pro Max would have been a better choice kung mas mura siya, no? O mas konti, no? Kung mas mura, plus the fact that you will need to spend a few more. This probably would spend you about siguro mga more than 100k. So, sayang din. So, yung matitipid mo, this one only costs about less than 30,000 pesos. So, that's a lot of savings if you're going to buy one. So, before I go, invite ko ulit yung mga friends ko dito. Sir, pasok mo kayo para lang magpakita ulit yung grupo. Kami po yung bumubuo ng Gadget Pilipinas. No? Of course, we're the ones writing and creating content. And hopefully you will support us. We're a very small team and it would matter to us if you will subscribe to the channel. Sira po yung white balance ko dito. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and catch you in the next video. Bye!